How to draw Mr. Snake from the bad guys, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by drawing the eyebrows, starting right here on the left hand side of the page. Each of Mr. Snake's eyebrows will be very thick and they'll both be pointing downwards. We're not going to fill them in completely black just yet, we'll do that towards the end of the video. Nice! Now let's draw the second one on the right hand side. Now right above those eyebrows that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the top of the head, beginning by drawing one small curved line. Then we'll draw a second longer curved line attached to this one. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Untitled Chapter. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Nice! Now we're going to want to extend the right side just a little bit longer. And we will also want to do the exact same thing on the left hand side as well. When we extend the left hand side, it will come down just a little bit longer than the right. Next we're going to draw the head, beginning by drawing a small circle. Later we'll come back and draw the details for the rest of the face. Now we will draw the outline of the hat, which will come around and connect to the circle that we just made. And on the inside of the hat, we're going to want to draw two curved lines going from left to right that will both attach to the circle. Fantastic! Next let's go right beneath the eyebrows and draw the eyes, which will be attached to the eyebrows. First let's draw the outline of each eye, beginning on the left hand side. Both of the outline of the eyes will look similar to circular shapes, however the right one will be a little bit disformed. After we're all done drawing the outline of the eyes, the next step will be to draw the pupils, so let's go ahead and draw the pupils on the inside by drawing a smaller circle and filling it in completely black, just leaving a small white dot on the inside. Nice, so far making great progress. Now right below the eyes that we just drew, we're going to draw the nose by drawing a curvy line that will be pointing downwards, going from left to right. And directly below that line that we just drew, we're now going to draw the nostrils of Mr. Snake by drawing two small circles that are filled in completely black. Now to draw the mouth, we're just going to draw a line going from left to right that is very long with a big dip in the center. This will be where Mr. Snake's tongue is coming from. Now that we have that line drawn, we can now draw the tongue, which will be coming out of the middle of the line that we just made. On the left and right hand side of the tongue, we're going to draw the teeth by drawing small shapes that look similar to triangles pointing down. Are you all done with that step? If so, let's continue. Now let's go ahead and finish drawing the outline of the actual face by connecting the left hand side all the way down to the tongue. Then we'll connect the right side of the tongue all the way up to the point on the right hand side. So from this point, we're pretty much done drawing Mr. Snake. We just have to go back and add some detail. So let's go ahead and fill in these eyebrows completely black to start. And if you're enjoying today's video so far and you want to continue to help support Learn How to Draw Hub, then be sure to give this video a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. And to finish today's drawing, I'm just going to go all over the face and add in small lines for detail. This is how to draw Mr. Snake from the Bad Guys. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button because we upload on a regular basis. Also, if you want to see more of our drawings from the Bad Guys, then be sure to check out all of the videos down below that I included in the description. We've drawn characters like Mr. Piranha, Diane Foxington, and even Mr. Wolf. Oh, and I can't forget Mr. Shark. In the description, I'm also going to include links to all the supplies that we use. Hopefully they'll be helpful. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.